Hello everybody, my name is Vikas and we're here today to discuss the format for IELTS General Writing. Keep in mind, IELTS Writing is one of the most difficult sections of the IELTS test in general. The format, it lasts for about 60 minutes and has two parts. Task 1 is basically should be split between 20 to 25 minutes. This is a personal or a semi-formal or a formal letter. This basically consists of 33% of your marks. In this task, you will be presented with a situation and asked to write a letter requesting information or explaining this situation. Keep in mind that you'll have to write at least 150 words and make sure that you wind up this task in less than 25 minutes. Task 2, which is one of the most important tasks, should last somewhere between 35 to 40 minutes. In here, you will have to write an essay, and this consists of about 67% of your marks. In here, you will be asked to write an essay in response to a point of view, argument, or problem that is presented in front of you. You will have to write at least 250 words. Keep in mind, guys, task 2 is extremely important, and you will have to spend at least 35 to 40 minutes on this task. IELTS writing is one of the most difficult sections, like I told you earlier. So I have covered some really important tips and tricks and also the format that you could use to get a guaranteed band 9. So feel free to check all the videos, and in case you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm more than happy to help you. Thank you for your time today.